Now these cables we've been using for some time, and they come in a 2-pack. They're great. We find that they're durable with braided cabling. They are great just to have the ability to simultaneously charge your phone, charge your GoPro, charge whatever device you may have. They work really well, and we never can have enough of them, so we have a whole bunch all over the place. And it's a decent size. Got USB on one side, and we pretty much plug it in. You got micro USB, you have USB-C and 2 lightning connectors. You can plug in your GoPro of various different models. You can plug in your iPhone, battery jump starter, which we also review in a separate video. Works great. We really like these. So this is one of our top products that we like. We use this all the time. That's great. And you can just charge everything that you need simultaneously. It's extremely convenient. We pick up a couple of these and have them in all our vehicles as well.